Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Slime Bandit here. Today we're reviewing the Alienware 240Hz gaming monitor. This monitor has been hyped up recently and I had to test it out for myself. Previously, I've been using a 60Hz monitor, so I've experienced a switch firsthand, you could say. And I've got to say, there's a clear difference. Like here you can see, there's multiple mouse cursors, sorry. And on the ACER, there's like 4. You can actually see the difference. It's almost double. It's actually insane. Let's take a look at that one more time. You can see on the 240Hz, you can see like maybe 8 mouse cursors. And on the 60Hz, you can see like 4. So, I guess that just shows the refresh rate right there. Obviously the Alienware monitor is a lot more crispy. But, after switching from both, I gotta say it's kind of hard to tell, when you're playing them side by side. It kind of looks the same, except for like obviously the clarity, like the speed though. That's kind of hard to tell as a difference. I mean, I guess you could see clear and blurry situations, maybe really tight situations, split second shit, stuff like that. But for $400, you could probably get a 144Hz monitor that's top of the line, and I'm sure it'd probably be nearly the same, to be honest with you guys. But I had to try it out for myself, man, and I'm not returning it. So yeah, well, that's really basically all I got, guys. And thanks for tuning in. Make sure you press subscribe.